Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's start a new discussion on CSS outline property. The CSS outline property is a line drawn outside the element's border. An outline property is a line drawn outside the element's border. As you can look at this diagram very well, we are having content. Inside this content, immediately after the content, we are having border. Immediately after this border right here, we are having outline. So any line you see immediately after the border is called outline border. Let me call it outline border. Yes. Any border you see outside the border itself, any other lines drawn outside the border is called outline. So please, I want you to be aware of that. In case you find yourself where you notice that you're having double lines after your element, you should know that we have border, then immediately after the border we have outline again. So the outline is this one we are specifying using green right here. So I'm going to be exploring this for you. Don't you forget also, in the previous tutorial we discussed about CSS box model. You can watch the playlist where we discussed about the margin padding, and also we discussed about width and height. So just to specify anything inside your document, you have to know how to control the margin, how to control the padding, how to control the width, how to control the height, how to control the border, how to control the content itself. So that's why this full CSS from beginners to advanced is so important when you try to study it from the scratch. It will help you a lot. So I don't want to let this tutorial to get long. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. Have a great day. I wish to see you.